Hey everyone! Welcome back to Designs with Sam, where we turn creative dreams into digital reality, using free AI tools that save you time and money. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to design a professional business card, the kind that gets people saying wow. Using just two tools, GPT-5 and NanoBanana. No fancy software. No expensive designer. Just your creativity, and a few smart prompts. So, grab your laptop, open a new tab, and let's begin. Step 1, let's open ChatGPT.com. This is where we'll be accessing GPT-5, one of the most advanced AI models for creativity and content generation. Please do not copy my exact prompt, use them to refine yours. Now use this to refine yours. You are a professional graphic designer, content creator, and AI specialist. You created a YouTube channel named Designs with Sam. This channel teaches people how to use free AI tools to get tasks that people normally pay for. They get it done for free. Now you want to create a professional business card using NanoBanana AI and you want to refine a prompt. Make sure the front and back are separate and no background. GPT-5 will then respond with a complete breakdown, what colors to use, what fonts fit best, and even how to align your text for a balanced design. Take a moment to read the result carefully. It's like having a personal art director guiding you through the concept stage. Remember, you can tweak the prompt to match your own style. Maybe you want something more minimal, or maybe luxurious with a touch of gold. GPT-5 adapts instantly. Now that GPT-5 has given us a clear design concept, it's time to turn that idea into a real visual. Here's what to do next. Copy the entire prompt you just generated from GPT-5, every word of it. Don't change anything yet. Now, open a new tab and head over to aistudio.google.com. Once you're there, go to the chat section, then go to the model section and choose NanoBanana. That's the AI model we'll use to bring your business card to life. Set the ratio to 3:4, that is the professional size for a business card. Now, in the prompt box, paste the GPT-5 description you copied earlier. Then we will wait a few seconds. NanoBanana work its magic. In a few seconds, you'll see the design come to life, simple, modern, and professional. Alright, now take a look at what NanoBanana just created. You'll probably notice something right away. It designed both the front and the back together in one image. Looks cool at first glance, right? But let me tell you the truth, that's not professional. In real-world design, your business card must have each side displayed separately. The front should stand proudly on its own, full screen, clear and readable. And the back should have its own dedicated space, never squeezed into the same frame. When both sides are joined together, it might look like a mock-up, but it's not something you can print or present as a clean design. So we'll fix that next, by generating each side individually, full screen, like a true designer would. Now that we've seen the problem, let's fix it the smart way. Head back to ChatGPT, where we were using GPT-5. We're going to ask it for a better, more specific prompt, one that gives NanoBanana clear instructions to separate the two sides correctly. In the chat box, type this exactly. You want to tell NanoBanana to make sure only the front is in one image, and only the back at full screen. Only the front, only one image. GPT-5 will polish that into a refined, professional prompt that NanoBanana can understand perfectly. Copy the improved version GPT-5 gives you. It'll make sure the AI doesn't mix the sides again. Then, head back to aistudio.google.com, open the NanoBanana model once more, and paste that corrected prompt. You will see that NanoBanana will make the image front alone. Then, tell it to generate the backside. This time, you'll see the difference instantly. Sharp edges. Balanced layout. No overlapping sides. That's what a real professional design looks like. Now that you've designed both sides of your business card, the front and the back, it's time to take that extra step that separates good designers from great ones. We're going to clean, crop, and perfect your images so they look crisp, balanced, and professional, ready for printing or digital use. Open a new tab and go to imageresizer.com, that's imageresizer.com. When the page loads, scroll down until you see the crop image tool. This is the tool we'll use to remove all unnecessary background areas that sometimes appear around AI-generated images. Click on Upload Image, and select the front side of your business card, the one you generated in NanoBanana. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it appear inside the crop box. Now, look carefully at the edges. If you notice any extra white space, faded shadows, or uneven borders, those need to go. A professional business card should fill the frame completely, leaving no distractions or dead space around the design. Gently drag the crop handles inward to tighten the frame around your design. Make sure all 4 edges are even, the top, bottom, left, and right. Take your time here. Don't rush. This part is where precision matters most. If your design includes text near the edge, like your name or contact info, leave a little margin space so it doesn't get cut off when printing. That's a pro tip most beginners overlook, but it makes a big difference in the final result. Once you're satisfied, click Save or Download Cropped Image. The tool will process your image, and in just a few seconds, your neatly cropped, print-ready front side will be ready to download. Now repeat the same process for the back side. Click Upload Image again, and this time, select the second file, the back of your card. Just like before, carefully inspect the borders. Remove any unwanted outer space, and make sure the design sits perfectly centered in the frame. If your back design includes icons, QR codes, or text, double-check that they remain sharp and properly aligned after cropping. Once you're happy with it, save and download that version too. Now, take a moment to open both images side by side, the front and the back. You'll notice how much cleaner and sharper they look after cropping. They're balanced, symmetrical, and ready to impress, whether you're showing them in a portfolio, printing them out, or sharing them online. And just like that, you've completed a full, professional design process, from concept generation in GPT-5, to visual creation in NanoBanana, and finally, polishing and perfection using imageresizer.com. That's how a real designer works, not just creating, but refining every detail until it shines. Because design isn't just about what you make, it's about how well you finish it. So go ahead, save your 2 final images, keep them safe, and be proud of what you've made. You've just learned how to create a professional business card, step by step, with tools that cost absolutely nothing, just your creativity, patience, and a little guidance.
Please like and subscribe.